If you're seeing a Gamma app sign-in error, don't worry because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This is usually caused by a login mismatch, a bad browser session, or a browser extension interfering with the sign-in process. And the good news is, you can often solve it in just a few minutes without needing any technical experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the most common issue, which is an auth mismatch. If you originally created your Gamma account using Continue with Google, you cannot just type your Gmail address into a regular email and password box and expect it to work. That can trigger a sign-in error because Gamma is expecting a Google authentication flow, not a normal password login. So if you signed up with Google, always go back and click the dedicated Continue with Google button on the sign-in screen. Then select the same Google account you used before. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem immediately. Next, if the site is stuck loading forever or you keep seeing an endless spinning wheel, your browser may be holding onto a corrupt session cookie. This is a very common cause of login problems on web apps. To fix it, go into your browser settings and clear your cache and cookies for Gamma. You can usually do this from your browser history or privacy settings. After clearing the stored data, close the browser completely and reopen Gamma in a fresh session. Then try signing in again. A clean browser session often removes whatever was causing the loop in the first place. Now, if you are still getting the error, the next thing to check is browser extensions. Password managers, ad blockers, privacy tools, and script blockers can sometimes interfere with Gamma's authentication tokens. These tools may block the verification process or stop the login page from loading correctly. To test this, temporarily disable any extensions that could affect sign-in, especially anything related to passwords, security, or scripts. Then refresh the Gamma login page and try again. If it works after disabling an extension, you've found the cause. You can then turn your extensions back on one by one until you figure out which one was creating the issue. Also, make sure you are using the correct browser and that it is fully updated. Sometimes an outdated browser can cause problems with modern login systems. If possible, try signing in from another browser as well, just to confirm whether the issue is browser specific. A quick test like that can save you a lot of time. So to recap, if Gamma sign-in is failing, first make sure you are using the same sign-in method you used when you created the account. If you signed up with Google, use the Google button. Then clear your browser cookies and cache it if the page is stuck loading. And finally, disable any conflicting extensions that may be blocking the verification process. Those 3 steps solve most Gamma login issues for users. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.